everybody. Human development is the scientific study of pattern of changes that happen in an individual from one stage to the other. What are the different stages of human being? As we all know that there are different stages in the lifespan. Prenatal stage, infancy, babyhood, early childhood, late childhood, adolescence, middle age, and old age or senescence. So, changes that may happen in all these stages of human being. And moreover, the changes might be knowing only by observing the behavior. The areas of growth and development are physical and motor, social, emotional, and intellectual development. Only if we know the meaning of what is growth, what is development, what are the differences between growth and development, what are the domains of growth and development, only if we know that, we will be knowing the behavior of human being. So, in this class, let's see what is growth and development and the areas of growth and development. Growth. Actually, it's a purely physical aspect. It is quantitative, indicating changes in the size, shape, and proportions of the parts of the body, structure, such as the structure of the internal organs. It doesn't continue throughout life. It stops when maturity has been attained. And moreover, it is observable. See, in this picture, the boy is taking the weight and height. So, it's measurable. That is height in inches and weight in kgs. So, it's measurable. Harlock defined growth as change in size, in proportion, disappearance of old features and acquisition of new ones. What is this disappearance of old features? For example, the temporary teeth, the number of temporary teeth is 20 only. That is old one. But when the teeth falls, the new thing, that is permanent teeth, that may appear. So, in this, old features may disappear and sometimes they may appear new ones also. So, Harlock defined growth as changing size, proportion, disappearance of old features and acquisition of new ones. In contrast to this, growth, development refers to qualitative. I told you that growth is quantitative, development is qualitative. It is a progressive series of orderly, coherent changes. It is not haphazard. It is orderly changes that may happen in an individual. It implies overall changes. It is a wider one. It implies overall changes. And in contrast to growth, it is assessed through keen observation. Only by keen observation we will be knowing what is the character of a person, what is his social development. Everything will be known only by keen observation. And moreover, this may continue throughout life. It may continue throughout life. It never stops when maturity has been attained. So, it's a continuous process. According to Crow and Crow, development is concerned with growth as well as those changes in behavior which results from environmental situations. So, development that may continue throughout life. It never stops. And it starts from womb to tomb. That means that may start from conception, that is during the prenatal period, and ends till old age. So, that's what we are telling, that it goes from womb to tomb. Okay. The Early Intervention Dictionary defines development as the lifelong process of growth to maturity through which an individual acquires increasingly complex abilities. So through experience, through maturity, the child will be learning many things. Now let's see what are the areas of growth and development. Areas of growth and development or domains of growth and development are the types of growth and development. Physical and motor development, emotional development, social development and intellectual development. Along with this, we can include moral development also. Now let's see what is physical development. That is nothing but development of internal as well as external organs. Development of internal as well as external organs. Increase of bodily tissues. That is nothing but changes in height, weight, body proportions, bone growth, muscular development and development of nervous system. In this, one more thing, that is motor development, that is control over the body, particularly muscles and physical coordination. The child may develop the ability to use and control the body. It includes both control over gross movements as well as finer muscular coordinations. Okay, what does this gross muscular skills means? Like jumping, skipping, like that, walking, all those things. Development and control of the whole body and the large muscles must be involved in this gross motor skills. And fine motor skills means development and control of smaller muscles of the hands, fingers and feet. For example, grasping, writing, throwing, drawing, feeding, self-feeding, tying the shoelace, fastening the buttons, threading of beads. All these things involve fine motor skills. And the next one is emotional development. It is about an individual's feelings for and about other people, objects, situations and experiences. The child develops dependence to a fully functional adult. There are different types of emotions, positive as well as negative emotions. What are the positive emotions means? Love, joy, elation, all these things may come under positive emotions. What are the negative emotions means? Fear, anger, shyness, all those things may come under negative emotions. So, because of the development, the child attains emotional maturity when the child grows. That may continue till our lifespan. The next one is social development. This is very, very important for our day-to-day life. That is nothing but acquisition of the ability to behave in accordance with the social expectations. Actually, when the child is born, that might be asocial. The child will not be knowing what is the rule, what is the norms, what is the behavior, what the society expects from us. But when the child goes to play, when we mingle with others, we will be knowing how to cooperate with others, how to adjust with others, how to mingle with others, how to respect others. All these things will be known through social development. So this may continue till our lifespan. The next one is intellectual development. What are the other names for this intellectual development means? We can call this one as cognitive development or otherwise mental development. Who formulated this cognitive theory means, you must be thorough with that. Piaget formulated cognitive theory. This is all about learning only, but this cognitive development that involves many aspects: language, concentration, verbal comprehension, word fluency, numerical ability, imagination, problem solving, creativity, concept formation, memory, attention span, concentration, reasoning, logical thinking, all these things may come under intellectual development. The last one is moral development. This is very, very important in our lifespan, because we know what is right, what is wrong through experience, through from our parents or from elders. We may develop conscience. What do you mean by conscience? That is nothing but manasachi. According to that, we may behave. So the development of conscience also may happen, and we may learn to control our own behavior. So I hope you have all understood the meaning of growth and development and the areas of growth and development. Thank you.